So in this video, I'm going to go over these MadBite Bladed Jig. I've got the 3-pack here, and let me just show you everything you get with these. Here's the different colors that I've got right there. Here's the one that I've been throwing and been using right here. From what I can tell, the action, so I use a lot of chatterbaits, by the way. So if you're using a chatterbait, one thing that you're going to figure out with this right away, this is a very slow retrieval bait. You want to cast this thing out and don't reel it fast. You can actually use this on a spinning reel because you don't need a lot of speed with the retrieval rate on this thing. The way they've designed this blade right here, it has this kind of off step right there that gives it a little slow action. So it's very slow. It doesn't do like the thunder cricket or the chatterbait that do it very fast. This one just kind of like does like that. The action through the water looks really good. I'll throw up some footage of actually using this through the water and how it looks, because I think it looks awesome going through the water. I partner up with a fluke on the back, and that's what I run on a trailer on it. These are crazy affordable. I don't know how many times I've just cringed when I've locked one of these up underwater on like something and I have to break it off. And this 3-pack was like one of the most affordable bladed jigs I think you can get that kind of serves the exact same function, everybody. It does all of the action. It has a Chartreuse color. I got more like a crawdad color, and this is more like a mixed color right here, and that's the package that I got. These hooks are very sharp. I don't know who they're using for their hooks, but those hooks are very sharp. A little slight barb right there. The skirt seems to be holding up. I've been throwing this for about I don't know, my last couple of trips out, I've been throwing it. Look how well the skirt's held up and the bait in general's held up. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the MadBite, you know, bladed jig. See you all in the next video.